Oh, what's going on YouTube? Bear here. This is Bear's Mix and welcome to my channel. I went over this briefly in a previous video about how tax lien investing can lead to scams, and a particular scam that I've been seeing a lot lately that is really pissing me off because it is hurting the industry. It's giving us a bad name, and that is the tax lien scam. Tax liens in essence are not a scam. They are actually the most socially responsible way you can invest today. These counties that hold these tax liens, or they hold property taxes, they need that money desperately for social services, stuff like schools, hospitals, daycares, law enforcement, fire department, EMS, roads, lights, bridges, all your infrastructure stuff you see every day that your tax money goes to fund. Parks, everything is all paid for by your property tax money. When somebody doesn't pay their property taxes or they underpay, the county is hurting for the money now. Now they don't have some money they need for these vital programs. So what they'll do is they put a lien on the property, a first position lien. This lien supersedes all other liens. It takes first place over a mortgage. Mortgage and all other liens are subsequent. They are junior to the tax lien. The tax lien is the number one position. It is first lien. That's why it wipes every other lien out, and you can take ownership of the property after a certain period of time for unpaid tax liens. One of the things I've been seeing lately are scams on certain websites, like here, bidforassets.com. Don't get me wrong, bidforassets.com, they are a legitimate website. They are a great website. They've been around for over 20 years. A lot of counties use them for their tax lien and tax deed sales. U.S. Marshals, they do all their auctions here. Currently, they don't have any auctions listing, but anything that they seize and impound, cars, boats, jewelry, residential, other properties, anything like that, they sell them on here. County tax sales, bank-owned properties. These are foreclosures, real estate, REO properties, real estate owned. See, there are currently how many listings on here? Yeah, these are all the current auctions right now. They've got listed for bank foreclosed properties, county tax sales. This jewelry sales on here, coins. There's over 2,000, almost 2,100 real estate listings right now. If you want to buy tax deeds, or you can buy homes up here starting at $1. So what? No reserve auction. Whatever the final auction price is, that's what you own the property at, plus the buyer's premium. You can even buy land. I mean, there's places like that all over the country. What we're interested in right now, though, is tax liens. Click on financial instruments. We come down here and we see there's 3 listings. This one doesn't even belong in financial instruments. It's a business that's being liquidated. But here's what we're looking at right here. 2 different tax liens. One's got about 16 hours left on the auction. Current bid on it, $630. This is the one we're going to take a quick look at. So I'm going to click on it. Hey, tax lien on a beautiful Phoenix area home. It's just $149,000. There's a picture of the house. It looks like a decent house. Got a nice 2-car garage, open parking, decent sized yard. It's got a fenced in backyard. It's a single family house, single story, all clearly visible from the Google Street View. Here's just a couple slides they put on here. Trying to entice you into bidding on the property. Again, here's the Google Street Maps view. Here's some Google Earth views of the overhead. You can see from this one that it does have a swimming pool, although the water's green. Needs some attention. Just different aerial views of it in the area. I mean, it looks like a decent property. Let's see what we got here. Number of bids, 14. Starting bid was $70. Current bid, $630. 5-minute increments. Buyer's premium is 10%. Buyer's premium is what you pay to bid for assets for winning an auction. You scroll down here. I have this guy here. Let me back up a little bit. CPI America. I've had a couple of his auctions canceled already because of the scams he's running. And this is another one. He's managed to get around getting canceled because he's adding this line right here. If the tax lien is redeemed, you will only receive back the face value of the tax lien and not your entire payment. Well, that little asterisk right there tells you what the face value is. This is an auction on a real estate tax lien certificate only with a face value of $65.37. Wow, so all you're going to get back is $65.37 plus the interest of 9% yearly, which is paid billed out quarterly, or not quarterly, monthly. So it's like 0.75% a month is all you're going to get in interest on it. Let's go back here a minute. The current bid $630. The value of the tax lien is $65. That's almost a 100% markup, plus 9%. Here's a little information on the house, the address, the parcel number, the legal description, little information about Arizona, his fine print. Let's scroll down here. Hey, look, buyer's premium, line number 7. This auction is subject to a 10% buyer's premium with a minimum of $100. So you're going to pay 10% of the final sale price or $100, whichever is greater, to bid for assets. Look at number 8, payment transfer fee. A transfer fee of $150 will be added to the winning bid. Keep in mind, Maricopa County only charges $9 to transfer a tax lien. So this guy's charging you an additional $141 to do what's only going to cost $9 to do. So now you got this additional $100 plus this right here, so you got an additional $250 being added to the current bid of $630. So you're looking at $880 on this tax lien. So this seller, this crook, this thief, this scam artist, CPI America, stands to make a profit of $814.63 off of a $65.37 initial investment. Not too bad of a return on investment for him. For the buyer, however, it is a gross loss. It is a total loss. They do not stand a chance of getting their money back. On a property such as this, with the tax lien being so small, it's not that they didn't pay their property taxes. That such a low amount tells me they underpaid their taxes. They looked at whatever the tax bill was for the previous year and they paid based on that, not realizing their property taxes have gone up. Now we've got to do a little due diligence here. So we scroll down here, we get the street address. 7495 West Weathersfield Road in Peoria, Arizona. I want to copy this. I'm going to go to Maricopa County Tax Assessor's website. You're going to go to the property search, and we're going to paste in that same street address. I'm going to do a quick little search on it, and look here, it brings it up. Here's the property owner, this APN number, or the property appointed partial number. 231-10280. Go back here to the auction. Yep, parcel number 231-10280. So it's the same property. It's a single family home. Gives you the subdivision that it's in, the physical address, the owner's name. We're going to click on APN here. Parcel number 231-10280. Same street address, same information. This is going to give us some basic information on the property. It's a residential one. It's got a 9,000 square foot lot. There's the lot number, the school district. It's in Peoria Unified District number 11. Here's the people that own it. There's your address. There's the number of the tax deed. There's the date that the deed was filed, October of 2003. So they've owned this for about a minute. And you can see here the property tax values have gone up over the last 5 years. 2016, the property was worth $134,200. And 2020, next year's tax bill is going to be based on $194,100. So you can see it's steadily climbing. Now, if you remember back here, he said tax assessed value is $149. We look back here, we see in 2017 the tax assessed value was $1,049. It's gone up since then steadily. So that tells me that that tax lien was from 2017. So you'll click over here on the view tax bill. Now it takes a minute to load. But basically when it loads, you're going to click on where it says, it'll show you here the information again, the owner's name, their address, the property address, that tells you address matches, that tells you that's where they live, it is their primary residence. Go back to tax summary. We can see here there is $0 owed. There is no current tax lien or tax deed due on it. You look down here, view additional tax years, and you'll get this page here. You can see back in 2017 there was a tax lien issued, but it has since been redeemed. So sometimes between 2017 and now, they've paid that $65.37 to the county. They've removed that tax lien. See, amount due from 2017 is 0. Amount due 2018, 0. Amount due 2019, 0. So this guy is selling a tax lien he does not own. It is no longer a valid tax lien. He is running a scam. He may, by all means, he may have actually owned this deed, or this tax lien rather, at one point. And if that was the case, he's already gotten his $65.37 initial investment back, plus his 9% interest. But yet he's trying to sell it and make an additional $800 on something that is no longer valid, that he no longer owns. So please, people, be very, very careful. Use your due diligence. Pay attention to what you're doing. And have fun out there. And please, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, especially if you found this video informative. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Either way, any interaction is interaction. It lets me know what you think. And leave your comments into the area below. Let me know if you liked this video, if you didn't. If you have any questions or comments on it, I will do my best to answer them as quickly as I can. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And if you haven't already looked at the contest video on my trailers, please go back and look at that. I am running a contest right now with some really cool prize giveaways. And until the next time, keep the shiny side up, the rubber side down, and keep it between the ditches. I will see you guys later.
Ladies and gentlemen, our national anthem.